7-H8 chapter 8 graphs of radicals. For your first example, graph the function y equals the negative square root of x minus 3 plus 2. Note that the sign in front of the square root is negative. To start, move your starting point to the right 3 units and then up 2. From there, graph it basically, except know that because it is negative, your graph will be facing downwards. For your next example, graph y equals 4 to the third root of x minus 2 plus 1. After, find the domain and range of each function. To begin graphing, move your starting point to the right 2 units and then up 1 unit. From there, graph the function to which it's normally to the third root, except know that because it is multiplied by 4, your graph will be steeper. A function of this equation will be all real numbers because if you were to continue the graph, it would reach all x coordinates. The range of this function is also all real numbers because if you were to continue the y-axis, the line would also come in contact with all numbers on the y-axis. For your final equation, solve the square root equation by graphing. Round the answer to the nearest hundredth if necessary. If there is no solution, explain why and use a graphing calculator. To begin, you need to know to just graph the square root of x minus 3 on its own, and then also graph 12 on its own. From there, if you put it into your calculator, you will notice that both of the lines will intersect at one certain point. The point of intersection is your answer to the problem, which would be 147.